Ever wonder why some people seem to glide through life's ups and downs with equanimity, while others get easily swept away? The secret might just be mindfulness. It's more than just a buzzword. It's a way of life, a practice that can help us navigate life's tumultuous seas with grace and balance. Mindfulness can be a vital tool for mental health, keeping us anchored in the present moment, rather than getting tangled in future anxieties or past regrets. Mindfulness isn't a quick fix, but a journey, a way of living that can transform our relationship with ourselves and the world around us. Achieving mindfulness doesn't require a mountain retreat or a Zen master. It's a practice you can start today, right where you are. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. First, pay attention to the present moment. Whether you're sipping your morning coffee or walking the dog, immerse yourself fully in the experience. Feel the warmth of the cup in your hand, the crunch of leaves under your feet. Second, observe your thoughts and feelings without judgment. If you find yourself feeling anxious or upset, don't push those feelings away. Acknowledge them. Let them be. You are not your thoughts. Third, practice regularly. Just like learning to play an instrument or mastering a new language, mindfulness requires consistent effort. It isn't about emptying your mind, but becoming aware of what's happening in your mind and body without trying to change it. Remember, like any skill, mindfulness takes practice. So be patient with yourself. So, what can you expect from a regular mindfulness practice? Well, a myriad of benefits awaits. Reduced stress, improved mental clarity, and enhanced emotional regulation are just the tip of the iceberg. You'll also find a deeper appreciation for life's simple pleasures. But the wonders of mindfulness extend beyond personal gains. It transforms our relationships and interactions, creating a ripple of positivity. Mindfulness invites us to show up fully for our lives, to live deeply and authentically, so why not give it a try?